Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED versus Pimax Dream Air. Which one should you go for? And if you've already pre-ordered the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED, but it hasn't arrived yet, should you change your pre-order to go for the Dream Air instead? Well, in this video, I have the inconvenient truth. Inconvenient for Pimax, that is. Hi and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sebastian, and if you're excited about high-end VR, this is the right channel for you. So subscribe now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Let's directly start with the inconvenient truth for Pimax. These two headsets have exactly the same optical stack. They have exactly the same visuals. They will have exactly the same FOV. Everything is the same, but the Crystal Super MicroOLED is just heavy and bulky, and the Dream Air is just slim and sexy. Yeah, so obviously this is what most people want, and this headset will cannibalize this headset. This is the inconvenient truth. But of course, there's always more to it, and the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED does have its advantages. I still like this headset a lot, but unfortunately, those advantages turn out to be more of a theoretical advantage. But let me go into detail. So one actual real advantage of the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED is that this is modular, right? So in theory, you can exchange the module, the MicroOLED module, and you could put the 50 ppd module into it, which makes sense because, well, the 50 ppd module gives you a huge FOV and lots of brightness, and it's great to have MicroOLED and that 50 ppd module to get the best of both worlds. But why is it theoretical? Well, actually, you cannot get a hold of the 50 ppd module. You cannot even order it on the website. And for the other modules, 57 ppd and ultrawide, they are on the website to buy, but they are sold out. Actually, you cannot buy these modules. So that advantage of this headset is already gone. The next advantage is that also the audio is modular. So this comes with bad audio, right? This S-Mass audio. And you can put the better D-Mass audio if you pay another $99 or if you go for the MRTV newsletter deal. If you subscribe to the MRTV newsletter, which you should do now. The link is down in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment. But yeah, this headset, it comes with better audio than what this comes with initially. And also, this is going to get a better audio strap, the DMAS audio strap. And yeah, this advantage then is also gone. Then there was this fake advantage that I told you about, right? Where Pimax said, oh, this can do 116 degrees horizontal FOV, while this can only do 110 degrees FOV, right? And then MRTV stepped in and said, no, that's not true. We demand for this to also get 116 degrees FOV because the optical stack is exactly the same. So yeah, this is also going to get 116 degrees FOV. So that differentiating factor is also gone. And right now, the Pimax Crystal Super still has one advantage. Like this, the facial interface is, in my opinion, more comfortable right now than the facial interface of the Dream Air. But for sure, first of all, this is not the final one. They are working on a better one. And also third parties are right now already working on better facial interfaces, and you will get some mods, which will make this the ultimate super comfortable headset. Because right now it is already like so light and nice, right? And for this, it's also comfortable, but you do feel that it's probably 600 grams heavier than this and more bulky, right? And for the tracking, yeah, it is not perfect. Yeah, I cannot recommend people to really get the slam version of the Pimax Crystal Super if they want to play competitively. Here, we have not seen yet the tracking of this, and once I get it, I will test it out. But the chances are that the slam tracking is going to be better since, well, they can place the cameras now in better positions than for this bigger, huge headset. So I have high hopes for for the slam tracking of this to be better as well. So the inconvenient truth is, actually, this has advantages which are not fully being used by Pimax, right? And this is just lighter. If you move around, if you look around in a dogfight, for example, you won't feel it. Or also when you're like race simming, you have to look around quickly. And here you can do it without any inertia. So yeah, if you ask me right now, should you cancel your order or should you change your pre-order from Super MicroOLED to Dream Air? I personally would do it. In my opinion, Pimax could come up with one thing. And if they would come up with that one thing, then there would be a different story. When they would say, hey, guys, you know what? We're going to come up. We're going to come out with a really cool mixed reality faceplate for the Pimax Crystal Super series. Wow. That would be like the saving grace for the Pimax Crystal Super. Because then this can have something in the future that this simply cannot have because it does not have this kind of interchangeable faceplates. But I've never heard from the Pimax mixed reality faceplate in a long time. I don't know if it's still a thing. So yeah, I would not hold my breath, honestly speaking. And simply in A/B comparison, same visuals, better audio here, much lighter. Yeah, for me, this is the winner. And that is an inconvenient truth because, of course, this will cannibalize this and probably not many people are going to buy this anymore, which is their own fault. I can just say it's their own fault and they will not be happy about this video. I can tell you that because, of course, they want to sell both, but they shoot themselves in the foot and knee. You know that, right? I told you that several times. So it's their own fault. I don't have any sympathy for them for this. They have, shoveled their own grave. Yeah, it's a bit too dramatic. But you know what I mean, right? So yeah, so that's it. And I would not be surprised if after this video, they got a lot of emails from you saying, hey, I want to change over to the Dream Air. So there you got it. As always here on MRTV, the full truth. I don't give a flying what the companies think about the things that I tell you because I'm always on your side. Also, if you want to buy any of these devices, the Pimax disclaimer is still here. If you don't know about the company, well, they have a reputation for over-promising delivery times and under-delivering on these delivery times, right? So if you order this now, they say it's going to come in probably end of March and April, beginning of April. But I would not hold my breath. And also still I have to say that the customer service is still spotty and not where it's supposed to be. But they did improve on that. I have to give it to them, but I still need to give you that Pimax disclaimer. When it comes to the hardware itself, these two headsets are really good. And absolutely watch my Pimax Dream Air review. If you haven't done so yet, watch it here. Or, well, if you have not yet watched my Crystal Super MicroOLED review, you can watch it here. And I'm telling you, in my opinion, right now what makes sense is to get this and probably if you have enough money, get the Pimax Crystal Super ultra wide or 50 ppd to get a huge FOV and a brighter image depending on what kind of game you're playing. That is what would make sense in my opinion. So if you are interested in this, check out the MRTV newsletter. Right now there's a really good deal for these kind of headsets. So subscribe to that MRTV newsletter now. The link is down in the description of this video. And if you're getting any of these headsets, make sure to order through the MRTV affiliate link. You're not just supporting this channel, you're getting free shipping and you're getting a little discount, but more importantly, you're getting the MRTV buyer protection. If anything goes horribly wrong, I will be on your side and I will help you to escalate your case to make things right again. So that is the value that I can add on top here. And find all the information about that in the description of this video. That's everything that I have for this video. Not a very long one, but I believe pretty important for many of you. So if this was helpful for you, give it a